The 7 Habits That Will Fix Your Life, Jordan Peterson. Jordan Peterson hasn't specifically outlined 7 habits that will fix your life. However, he has shared many principles and ideas in his books and lectures that might be distilled into actionable habits or guidelines. If you're referring to a specific list or concept that someone has attributed to Peterson, it could be a summary or interpretation of his broader ideas. Here are some key themes from his work that could be considered habits or principles for personal improvement. Take responsibility for your life is a core principle in Jordan Peterson's teachings. It emphasizes the importance of acknowledging that you are in control of your actions, decisions, and their consequences. Here's a deeper look into this principle. Ownership of actions. Recognize that you are responsible for the choices you make. Blaming external circumstances or other people for your problems often leads to a sense of powerlessness. By taking responsibility, you empower yourself to make changes. Self-reflection. Regularly assess your own behavior and attitudes. Instead of focusing on what others are doing wrong, examine what you can do to improve your situation. This introspection helps in personal growth and development. Proactive approach. Instead of waiting for things to change or expecting someone else to solve your problems, take proactive steps to address issues. This might involve setting goals, seeking help, or making necessary adjustments in your life. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Taking responsibility means facing difficulties head-on and working through them with resilience and determination. Improve yourself. Strive to be the best version of yourself. Taking responsibility involves continuous self-improvement and working on personal weaknesses. Accountability. Be honest with yourself about your mistakes and learn from them. Accountability is a key component of personal responsibility and helps in building trust with yourself and others. By adopting this principle, you can create a more empowered and purposeful life, as it fosters a mindset of control and agency over your circumstances. Set your house in order is another principle from Jordan Peterson's teachings that emphasizes the importance of addressing your own issues before trying to change the world around you. Here's a breakdown of what this principle entails. Personal responsibility. Before pointing fingers or criticizing others, focus on fixing your own problems. This involves evaluating your personal life, habits, and responsibilities and making improvements where needed. Organize your life. Ensure that your own environment, whether it's your home, workspace, or daily routine, is orderly and functional. A well-organized environment can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Address personal issues. Take the time to confront and resolve any personal issues or conflicts. This might involve dealing with emotional challenges, repairing relationships, or making necessary changes in your life. Focus on self-improvement. Invest in personal development and self-care. This includes setting and working towards goals, building healthy habits, and seeking growth opportunities. Implement discipline. Cultivate discipline in your daily routines and responsibilities. Consistent effort in managing your own affairs creates a foundation for addressing larger challenges. Lead by example. By setting your own house in order, you demonstrate to others the value of personal responsibility and effective management. This can influence those around you in a positive way. Be patient. Recognize that setting your house in order is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself as you work through personal challenges and improvements. By focusing on these aspects, you create a more stable and functional personal environment, which in turn enables you to contribute more effectively to broader social or professional issues. Pursue meaning, not happiness, is a central theme in Jordan Peterson's work. It suggests that seeking a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment is more valuable and sustainable than merely chasing after transient happiness. Here's a closer look at this principle. Focus on purposeful goals. Instead of seeking immediate pleasure or gratification, set goals that align with your values and provide a sense of purpose. Meaningful goals often involve contributing to something larger than yourself, such as personal growth, relationships, or societal impact. Embrace responsibility. Taking on responsibilities and facing challenges can lead to a deeper sense of purpose. Engaging in tasks that require effort and commitment often results in greater satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. Find meaning in struggles. Life inevitably involves hardships and difficulties. Rather than avoiding or resenting them, try to find meaning in the struggle. Challenges can be opportunities for growth and learning. Cultivate relationships. Build and nurture meaningful relationships. Genuine connections with others can provide a sense of belonging and purpose that superficial pursuits often lack. Develop a sense of contribution. Engage in activities or work that make a positive impact on others or society. Contributing to the well-being of others can be a powerful source of meaning and fulfillment. Pursue personal growth. Invest in your own development and self-improvement. Striving to become a better version of yourself can provide a sense of purpose and direction. Balance immediate pleasures with long-term goals. While seeking pleasure isn't inherently wrong, balance it with efforts toward long-term, meaningful goals. This helps ensure that your pursuit of happiness doesn't undermine your deeper sense of purpose. By focusing on meaning, you can cultivate a more resilient and enduring sense of fulfillment that goes beyond fleeting moments of happiness. This approach often leads to a richer, more satisfying life experience. Tell the truth is another important principle in Jordan Peterson's teachings, emphasizing honesty and integrity in all aspects of life. Here's a breakdown of what this principle involves. Be honest with yourself. Self-deception can hinder personal growth and create internal conflict. Being truthful with yourself involves acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses, understanding your true desires, and facing your own limitations. Communicate honestly. In your interactions with others, strive for clear, truthful communication. Avoid exaggeration, deceit, or withholding important information. Honest communication builds trust and strengthens relationships. Avoid manipulation. Resist the temptation to manipulate or deceive others for personal gain. Integrity involves treating people with respect and honesty, even when it might be difficult or disadvantageous. Face uncomfortable truths. Confront difficult or uncomfortable truths rather than avoiding them. Addressing problems directly can lead to effective solutions and personal growth. Speak clearly and precisely. When expressing your thoughts and feelings, aim for clarity and precision. Ambiguity or vagueness can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Be responsible for your words. Understand the impact of what you say on others and take responsibility for your words. This includes being mindful of how your statements might affect those around you. Live authentically. Align your actions with your words. Authenticity requires that your behavior reflects your true beliefs and values, rather than presenting a false front to the world. By committing to honesty and integrity, you create a foundation of trust and respect in your relationships and personal life. This principle also promotes personal accountability and helps you navigate life with greater clarity and authenticity. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't is a principle that emphasizes the importance of open-mindedness and humility in conversations. Here's how this principle can be applied. Approach conversations with curiosity. Enter discussions with the mindset that the other person may have valuable insights or knowledge that you lack. This fosters a learning attitude and enhances your understanding. Practice active listening. Focus on truly understanding the other person's perspective without interrupting or formulating your response while they are speaking. Active listening helps you grasp their viewpoints and learn from them. Respect different perspectives. Acknowledge that people come from diverse backgrounds and experiences, which can offer different insights and viewpoints. Respecting these differences can lead to richer, more informative conversations. Ask questions. Show genuine interest by asking questions that clarify and deepen your understanding of the other person's point of view. This demonstrates respect and encourages meaningful dialogue. Be open to learning. Recognize that your own knowledge and beliefs are not exhaustive. Being open to new information and perspectives can lead to personal growth and a broader understanding of the world. Challenge your assumptions. Use conversations as an opportunity to test and refine your own beliefs. Listening to others can help you identify and address any biases or gaps in your understanding. Maintain humility. Understand that everyone has something valuable to contribute and be willing to reconsider your own views in light of new information. This humility helps in building constructive relationships and learning from others. By adopting this principle, you can enhance your interpersonal skills, foster better relationships, and continuously expand your own knowledge and perspectives. Stand up straight with your shoulders back is a principle that Jordan Peterson uses to emphasize the importance of adopting a posture of confidence and resilience. Here's a deeper look into what this principle involves. Adopt a confident posture. Standing up straight with your shoulders back signals confidence and self-assurance. This physical posture can also influence your mental state, making you feel more confident and assertive. Embrace responsibility. This principle is not just about physical posture, but also about taking responsibility for your life and facing challenges with a positive attitude. It reflects a readiness to tackle difficulties head-on. Project strength and competence. Your posture can affect how others perceive you. By standing straight and presenting yourself with confidence, you convey strength and competence, which can positively influence how others respond to you. Improve mental and emotional health. Adopting a confident posture can boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety or depression. It can also promote a sense of well-being and self-worth. Face challenges with resilience. Standing tall symbolizes a readiness to confront life's challenges with resilience and determination. It encourages you to approach problems with a proactive and strong mindset. Engage in healthy habits. Good posture is often associated with physical health. Maintaining a straight posture can contribute to better physical health by reducing strain on your back and improving overall body alignment. Cultivate a strong self-image. By adopting confident body language, you reinforce a positive self-image and build self-esteem. This self-image can influence how you interact with others and handle various situations. Overall, this principle underscores the connection between physical presence and psychological state, encouraging a proactive, resilient approach to life's challenges. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today, is a principle that emphasizes personal growth and self-improvement over comparison with others. Here's a detailed look at this principle. Focus on personal progress. Measure your success based on your own progress and growth rather than comparing yourself to others. This helps you stay focused on your journey and achievements. Set personal goals. Establish and work towards your own goals and benchmarks. By comparing yourself to your past self, you can see how far you've come and adjust your goals accordingly. Avoid comparison traps. Comparing yourself to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy or envy. It's important to recognize that everyone has their own unique path and timeline. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate the incremental improvements you make. These small victories contribute to your overall growth and motivate continued effort. Learn from your past. Reflect on your previous experiences and how they have shaped you. Use this reflection to make informed decisions and improvements for the future. Maintain perspective. Understand that everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. By focusing on your own growth, you avoid getting caught up in unrealistic comparisons with others. Encourage self-compassion. Be kind to yourself as you track your progress. Recognize that growth is a gradual process and that it's okay to have setbacks along the way. By comparing yourself to who you were yesterday, you create a more constructive and supportive environment for personal development. This approach fosters a sense of achievement and helps maintain motivation on your path to self-improvement. These themes are reflective of Peterson's broader advice on personal development and navigating life's challenges. If you have a specific source or context for these 7 habits, let me know, and I can help clarify further.